Hey, this is Gabe K from like Pokemon community and that stuff, and I'm here to show you a program which will be in the like kind of toolboxes pink thingy, which has all of like little tools which you don't really need for Diamond and Pearl hacking, which we're going to be releasing. This is a starter editor, so right now I'm just going to show you a bit of how it works. You probably cannot tell what any of the text says because Windows Movie Maker hates quality. And now Fatty is PMing me. And you see, for some reason it shows up as like Turtwig or Chimchar, whichever one it is, but when you actually send it out, it is the starter which you chose it to be.